Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to the quiz on the occasion of International Day of Women and Girls in Science. So today is 11th February 2021. So International Day of Women and Girls in Science. So the quiz is on this topic only about the contribution and different perspective of the internet girls and women in science. So here we go with the quiz without any further delay. The rules are pretty simple. There will be 15 questions. You have to answer them in the Google form that is provided in the description and also in the group if you are there. Otherwise, the link of the Google form where the where you have to send the answer will be attached in the description. So answer there only. There are no questions in that particular Google form. The questions will appear here in the video only. So if you are new to this channel, do subscribe the channel and do watch the previous quizzes as well. Lots of quizzes already happened. More than 70 plus quizzes happened in this particular channel. And previous to this quiz it was like the boss quiz, and previous to that we have the year and quiz fest. So here we are with the first quiz of the February month, so International Day of Women and Girls in Science. So here we go with the quiz. Easy one to start with. Question number one: what is the theme of this particular year? So easy one to start with, and probably you should expect a particular question on this thing when you are coming to a particular thematic quiz. So what is the theme of this particular year? So International Day of Women and Girl in Science. Think about the previous year. I'm looking for basically two keywords in your answer. Exact answer uh, will fetch you full points, or probably those two keywords which I will be looking forward for will also fetch you full points. So I will be looking for two keywords in your answer, but it would be better if you give me the exact theme as one particular statement. It's a long one, that's why if you are generic enough I will give you full points. I gave the clue that think about the past 1 year, the contribution of the people in the science breakdown, so that would give away you the answer. Question number two, easy one. So this award was established in 2003 and is awarded annually by Royal Society to an individual for outstanding work in any field of science, technology, engineering and mathematics, so basically STEM, and to support the promotion of women in science, technology, engineering and mathematics. The award is given in the honor of someone who is best known for her work on X-ray diffraction image of something which makes each species unique. So that's the keyword, something which makes each species unique. So I deliberately did a particular word that would give away you the answer. So if you think on that line, then probably you will get the answer. So this award is named after whom? So that is all what I'm looking for. This award is named after whom? So award was established in 2003 and is awarded annually by Royal Society to an individual for outstanding work in any field of science, technology, engineering and mathematics. So moving on to the next question, question number three. Easy one. Which event? Which event I'm looking for? So a particular image you can see, a celebration, basically celebration after what, or which particular event is being talked about. So simple enough. Which event? Question number four. The picture shows a notebook of a famous person for having a notebook of a famous person. For having a look at these journals, however, you will require something special like special clothing and liability of waiver. So whose stuff is this? So whose stuff is this? This is a notebook of a very famous person, and there's a huge hint that for having a look at this journal, if you are very close to this particular journal, uh, you will however require clothing and liability waiver. So that is what I'm looking for. Moving on to question number five, probably the toughest of all, probably not. Okay, Leibniz Prize, Max Planck Medal, Otto Hahn Prize, Forman RS, Wilhelm Exner Medal, Fermi Award, Enrico Fermi Award. So I'm looking for who is this person? Easy one. Easy one if you think, if I give you a clue that a particular element in the periodic table is named after this particular person. So a particular element is named after this particular person. Leibniz Prize 1925, Max Planck Medal 1949, Otto Hahn Prize 1955. For mem RS, however you pronounce, sorry if I'm wrong with my pronunciation, 1955, and Wilhelm Exner Medal in 1960, and for me, Enrico Fermi Award in 1966. So what I'm looking for, who is this person? And the clue I gave was a particular element is named after her. And if I'm not wrong, she was uh, nominated for Nobel Prize about 15 times. Moving to question number 6. She she served as a fellow, vice president, and president of the Optical Society, and is currently chair of their presidential advisory committee. In 2018, she was listed as one of the BBC's 100 women. So what I'm looking for, who is she? Straightforward question, who is she? She served as fellow vice president and president of Optical Society, the Optical Society, and is currently chair of the Presidential Advisory Committee. In 2018, for a particular reason, probably you, for a different reason, you know her, and she was listed as one of the BBC's 100 women. So who is she? Moving on to question number 7. I said, before moving on to question number 7, I said that for a particular reason in 2018, not because of her enlistment in the BBC's 100 Women, but for a different reason, she was in news. Moving to question number 7, a fictional portrait of X by Jules Van Maurice Gaspard, as far by the most iconic and widely reproduced image of her. She is the first woman mathematician in the world that could be traced by the history. She taught uh, philosophy and astronomy in Alexandria in the late 5th century. So, identify X. So, fictional portrait of X by Jules Maurice Gaspard is by far the most iconic and widely reproduced image of her. So, what I'm looking for is simply, who is she? Identify X. She is the first woman mathematician in the world that could be traced by the history. So she is believed to be the first woman mathematician in the world. So that is what I'm looking for. Moving to question number 6, easy one. Connect. So you have 4 images. If you want to have a look at the logo, I'm just sliding my video here. So identify or something from the field of science. The topic is women in science. So we have 4 images, 2 being logo and 2 person. So 2 images and 2 logos, that's it. So connect. And it would be better if you explain also. Only like giving the name would fetch you full points, but in case of a tie, if you have given a full explanation, you will be considered first. So moving on to question number 9. So X was French mathematician born in 1776. Due to the prevailing gender prejudice, she was unable to get formal education, but her love for mathematics could not stop her from learning it. She learned from the prominent mathematician uh, Frederick Gauss, Carl Friedrich Gauss, in correspondence under the pseudonym Leblanc. She is credited for her works in the elastic theory, Fermat's last theorem, and number theory. X Prize was constituted by Paris Academy of Sciences to honor foundational work in mathematics. So identify X. So elastic theory, Fermat's last theorem, and number theory. So X Prize was constituted by Paris Academy of Sciences to honor the foundation work in mathematics. So identify X. So X was French mathematician born in 1776. 1776, French mathematician. Think of the famous female French mathematician. The first guess would be the correct answer. In my case, it will be my first guess. Moving on to question number 10. Based on whose life? The Other Einstein by Mary Benedict. So, The Other Einstein, based on whose life? Easy one. Based on whose life? I'm looking for a particular proper noun, not looking for any relation with someone else or something like that. I'm looking for a common noun, so based on whose life is this particular book, The Other Einstein by Mary Benedict, is based on. Question number 11, 10 down, 5 more to go. This is the first book written by American marine biologist. She wrote another very famous book in 1962 which describe about the adverse effect of pesticide. Who and which book? So this is the book Under the Sea Wind, a naturalist pictures of ocean life. So written by American marine biologist. What I'm looking for, she wrote another very famous book in 1962 which describe about the adverse effect of pesticide. And I'm looking for who and which book, which famous book which was written in 1962 about the adverse effect of the pesticides. Moving to question number 12, name the movie. So here are the three images. So you have to name the movie with the help of these three people. Name the movie. Giving a while to you all people to have a look on it. So name the movie, as simple as that. Moving to question number 13. So three more questions to go, 13, 14 and 15. So here's the question number 13. You have to identify a person. So she is the most celebrated Indian woman botanist who got her PhD in 1931 from University of Michigan. Among her numerous achievements, she is also credited with making our sugarcane sweet by crossbreeding it with a Papua New Guinea variant. So this variant of magnolia flower is named in honor of her. So apart from the funda of sugarcane, crossbreeding and all, this variant of magnolia flower is named after her or named in the honor of her. So identify her. So as simple as that. She is the most celebrated Indian woman botanist who got her PhD in 1931 from University of Michigan. Moving to the penultimate question, question number 14. For which accomplishment she is mainly credited with, she played a pivotal role in filling much needed void in a particular field. So and also identify her. So identify her and the pivotal role for which she is mainly credited with. So identify her and the accomplishment for which she is mainly credited with. So this is the penultimate question, and here's the question number 15. So she was an Indian organic chemist noted for her work in the field of organic chemistry and phytomedicine. Her most notable work includes research of Vinca alkaloids or Vinca alkaloids, the development of anti-epileptic drugs, and development of anti-malarial drugs. She also authored a considerable volume of work on medicinal plants of the Indian subcontinent. She was the first woman to receive a doctorate of science from an Indian university. So who is she? Here's the picture of the person. So she was an Indian organic chemist noted for her work in the field of organic chemistry and phytomedicine. So what you all need to do is identify her, as simple as that. Question number 15. So just going back to the previous question. Question number 14. Identify her and the accomplishment. Question number 13. Identify the person, and a particular variant of the magnolia flower is named after her or named in the honor of her. Question number 12. Name the movie with the help of these three personalities. Question number 11. Who and which book? The book is of 1962. So this book is the Under the Sea Wind. This is the first book by the American marine biologist. Question number 10. Based on whose life The Other Einstein by Mary Benedict is written? Question number 9. You have to identify the French mathematician who was born in 1766. Question number 10. Identify or connect. Question number 7. You have to give me the person who is credited to be the who is the first woman mathematician in the world that could be traced in by the history. Question number 6. Who is she? Question number 5. Who? These are the various achievements throughout her life. Question number 4. Whose stuff is this? This is a particular image. Probably easiest of all, the first female scientist that should come into your mind when you are preparing for a science quiz would be her name. So that's a giveaway clue. Question number 3. Which particular event? So triumph movement for the all Indians. So which event is this? Question number 2. So the award given which was established in 2003 and is awarded annually by Royal Society to the individual for outstanding work in any field of science, technology, engineering and mathematics. So this award is named after whom? Question number 1. So what is the theme of this particular year? So that's all from today's quiz. So just wait for the answers and the results, and if you are new to the channel, do subscribe the channel. Hope you like the quiz. Don't forget to give your reviews after the quiz, and let's meet during the answer time. That's all for today.